Hey everyone, welcome back to the signNow video guide with a new helpful tip on how electronic signatures can transform your day-to-day document workflows.
How much time do legal teams spend on improving core customer experience, striving to organize simple eSignature workflows, or ensuring proper data security measures? For legal professionals, transforming routine paper processes into fast and secure legal workflows would involve many hours and a lot of hassle. signNow enables legal companies and teams to streamline eSignature workflows, improve customer experiences, and cut agreement turnaround times, all while staying secure and compliant. Ensure your team is getting the most out of signNow's robust features to boost your legal workflows. Whether it's collaborating on agreements, reusing standard contracts as templates, sharing documents and templates across teams, or sending contracts for signature. Here are a few tips on how you can delight your coworkers with a secure and consistent signing experience. Eliminate unnecessary hassles in your workflow by creating templates for your most used documents and collaborating on them with your teams. A template is a reusable document from which you can generate copies for signature. With templates, you can reuse your most common documents and forms, create complex signing sessions with multiple roles and steps, get multiple individually signed documents by generating signing links, and send documents for signature in bulk. To create a template, in your signNow dashboard, click Make Template right on a document, or click Make Template from the More Options dropdown. All your templates are stored in the Templates folder on the left sidebar. You can also simplify the process of collaborating on documents and templates by creating a team. To do so, go to the My Teams tab. Click Create Team, name your team, and enter team member emails to invite people to it. When your team has been created, you can manage it, view shared documents and templates, invite new people, or cancel invitation requests. Let's see what else you can do with signNow. There are two types of fields in creating a document in signNow: editable for document senders and fillable for document signers. Each field is assigned to a specific role. You can set each field as required or optional and specify which data types are valid for that field. If you need to sign a document before sending it, add your signature any way you like. Type your full name, draw your signature using a mouse, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Choose whether you'd like recipients to receive your invite in the order they're signing the document or at the same time. Customize invite emails, protect your document by adding additional authentication methods, set up document expiration dates with automated reminders, or allow your recipients to forward or even decline the invite. Select what you want to do with a signed document, including deciding who needs copies. Use document groups if you need to bundle documents together, send a group of documents to a single signer, or create signing steps for multiple signers across multiple documents. To start collaborating, create a team and invite your colleagues. As the team admin, you can add or delete users, view shared documents and templates, and so much more. Visit our Help Center if you need more help with signNow. You can start a live chat or submit a new support request, and our support team will contact you as soon as possible. Want to become a certified eSignature expert? Click on the link in the top right corner to take one of our free courses.
Want to try signNow for free? Just click the link in the description and start working on your documents right now.